God, dog. Dang, look how it came. Super tore. Like, did they even bother? I'm what is happening? What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Octavia.Darling. This is going to be a vlog, and today is Sunday, so I think I want to take you all with me as I go take some self-portraits, create some content for Instagram, and show you all a little behind the scenes of that. So let's get ready. Let's go. I just want you guys to know that this is my first time doing makeup on camera and I'm cringing. No, but really, this is my first time, so kudos to me for stepping outside of my comfort zone, feeling the fear and doing anyways, and just, going for it. Okay, so as you can see, I am in the car and ready to go. My makeup's done, I got my look on, and I can't wait to see you guys actually see these pictures because I have a feeling they're gonna turn out fire. But we're on our way to the location now to start the shoot, so I'll meet y'all there. Okay, so we're here at the location and I'm about to get started. I got an audience, but that's what I see. Grand Rising, y'all. It is Monday, 6:05 a.m. and I'm about to head to the gym. And normally I would be on my way back home from the gym by now, but your girl overslept, and that's because she was scrolling on TikTok all last night and didn't wake up at her normal time, which is 5 a.m. But no worries, let's head out. Okay, so it's currently 7:47 a.m. I'm back at the house. I had a great workout. It was quick but very effective. I increased my weights to 10 pounds this week. Well, by 10 pounds for this week. So I'm feeling good. I'm showered, dressed for the day, about to do some batch content creation for the week, and then check my calendar to see what else is on the agenda. So I will check in with y'all tomorrow. Good morning. It is Wednesday. I have my smoothie, so y'all gonna see me sipping this for right now.
I make the best smoothies. Oh, it is 8:21 a.m. Believe it or not, I've already done so much this morning. I wake up at 5 a.m. in the mornings. I wake up at 5 a.m. I get to the gym by 5:30. I get back to the house by between 6:35 and 6:45. And I'm showered and ready for the day by 7:15. This morning, after I finished getting ready, I made sure I have my content that I'll be posting today on TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest. I have that all scheduled out. When my reminder comes on from my Google Calendar, I can just post it and be done with it. I like to do it like that. That way, when I'm working on other stuff throughout the day, I'm not taken away from that. All I have to do is just click post, you know. So what I'm doing, the system that I have going, it works very well for me. So I have a couple packages I'm going to open up, and also I want to schedule me a pedicure appointment for today, because I don't know if I mentioned it before, but I'm actually going out of town this weekend. I'll be going to Orlando, my home, to celebrate one of my friends' daughter's first birthday. So I'm excited about that. I'm going to be connecting with some friends and loved ones and just catching a good vibe. So I'm going to start preparing for my trip starting today. I'm trying to think if I want to change my hair, because right now it's in a braid out, but I wanted to do a style for my hair, like a different lock style, and I also did want to color it. I don't know, I'm trying to figure that part out, but that's what's on the agenda for today. So let's go ahead and unbox these packages. This first one, I believe, are vitamins, my probiotic. God's Lord. Dang, look how it came. Super tore up. Like, did they even bother? What is happening? Wow. Let me see this thing. Okay, well, the seal isn't broken, so that's a good thing. The seal isn't broken. If it was, I wouldn't be using this. I use Renew Life probiotics. I've been using this for a while. It's good for my gut health, bloating. It helps with a lot, not overeating, and being able to digest my food very well. And then we have another package. Now, this package right here, this is workout attire that I ordered because I want to have some really cute gym fits. And oh, this is not from Amazon. I said both of them from Amazon. This is from Shein, and I had got some sets. What I'll do is I'll post on this side of the screen screenshots of what I ordered so you can see. And I'm not going to do a try on in this video. I'm going to do a try on for an Instagram reel. So if you want to see how those look, make sure you follow me on Instagram at Octavia.Darling. I had to think about it. Why did I think about that? By the way, if y'all hear like a camera shutter in the background like that, that's because I am taking behind the scene pictures while I'm talking to y'all for my Instagram. Like, I be multitasking for real. I'm pretty good at this. And this is my Bluetooth remote, so y'all can see. This is what I'm doing as I'm talking to y'all. So I got 3 pieces of some really cute sports bras. I have them in black. I love it. It has it looks like it has some really good support, so I can't wait to try these. But I have them in black. I have it in white. And I also have it in a nude color, like a brown nude color. Oh, I just realized this. Oh my god, I'm so glad I ordered this. But this is the sports bra that had, like, it goes like diagonally. Oh, this is gonna be super cute. I can't wait to wear this. And I also ordered some workout pants too, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so these are two, but I have black. These are the ones that amplifies your butt. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all know what I'm talking about, ladies. And I have like an olive green, which is super cute. Can't wait to wear these. Can I have a bowl to bowl? White rice, no beans, and I would like a vinaigrette too. Chicken, please. Just a little bit more rice. That's good, thank you. No beans, chicken. Chicken. Thank you. May I please have medium salsa? And lots of lettuce. That's it. Grand Rising. Happy Thursday. It is 7 a.m. I slept in this morning. I needed that, y'all. I feel so good. I feel so well rested. I don't know if you could tell from yesterday's footage, but your girl was tired. I have a pretty packed day, but right now what I'm gonna do first is go head out to go get my massage, and then we'll just let things fall into line after that. So I'll see y'all there. In all honesty, y'all, nothing could have prepared me for what I just experienced with that hydro massage. This will be a weekly thing. All right, so please don't mind. Okay, y'all, so I'm done for the day. Today has been a long, eventful day. I can't even put into words everything that took place today, but woo. I don't know if y'all could tell, but I am exhausted. I did learn a lot of good life lessons today, and I'm grateful for those lessons because it shows me the areas where I need to improve, and I accept that. You know what I mean? I'm grateful that those things were revealed to me today so that I can, you know, just work on myself for good reasons. I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. I wanted to try something different. I had fun filming it, and I can see this being a consistent piece of content that I curate. So if you all like it, comment it down below. Comment your favorite parts of the vlog, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with someone else, and also I'll leave my socials in the description box below.